Hi co-teachers, it's me Dessy. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded my last video. That was because I became busy with Bunny English. They had a month of winter vacation, so there were a lot of students from 9 a.m. onwards, and that was from Monday to Sunday. I really wanted to take advantage of the time because honestly, when it's winter and summer vacation in Bunny English, that is the time that I get to save a lot of money. At the end of the video, I will announce the 2 winners of the massage pillows finally. In this video, I will also tell you 3 things that you need to know about Langdy. I receive a lot of messages asking about Langdy, and I hope this will answer some of those questions. And I will also tell you about one opportunity that I got from Langdy, actually from one of the students who booked my class in Langdy. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay guys, these are the 3 things that you need to know about Langdy before you continue your application with them. They have 3 accounts. Originally, they only have Chinese account, which started 2017, and the English account, which started in 2019. And we also have non-voice account. They ask some teachers to volunteer and also try this non-voice account. Basically, you will just correct the grammar of the students, because they needed to answer some written homework or assignment, and the teacher will correct their grammar and then send them back the report, something like that. I think it was just easy. It's just that it could really consume a lot of time. This was the post that they had, so it mentioned there the description, responsibilities, and also requirements. I think they're still looking for online sentence correction English teachers, and you can also try to submit your application. It's just a non-voice. You will just basically correct the grammar, punctuations, and all of these things that need to be corrected. Also, this is a Korean-owned company, so Korean English learners all around the world. This service is quite popular with Korean English learners. So I must say there is a great possibility that you'll get fully booked. In my experience, I don't really open the same time or the same slots because it depends on me. Like sometimes I don't want to wake up very early in the morning, so I close the early morning slots. And so far, our students booking the slots that I open, and especially if you open the peak hours, which is from 4 p.m. onwards. And also they impose penalties. You have to attend your class on time and inform the management ahead of time if there is a problem. And you can also cancel the slot or maybe reschedule the student, but you really have to advise or inform the management ahead of time. Just like yesterday, I got penalized and I was really disappointed because I opened my 5:30 a.m. and I couldn't wake up. The way the penalty is 60 points, so 60 points will be deducted to your overall points, and I really felt bad about that. So this is what I would like to share with you. There was one student who booked my class in Langdy, just like what happened with Mr. Shidong in Preply. At first, I thought that that's why she sent me a message, because she wanted to have a one-on-one or like private class with me, because she asked me if I teach IELTS, and then I said yes. She asked me if she could call me, and then when I answered the call, she explained to me everything, her plans and all that. But I will not divulge all information yet. because everything is still being planned. I don't want to set your expectations again, just like what happened to Chuanyi. I mean, Chuanyi is doing good so far, but it's so slow. Mr. Shidong and I became really busy with a lot of things, and I will still keep you updated. Going back to this person who booked my class in Langdy. So she's from Kazakhstan. She has been living there for 20 years. She is a Korean. She is the principal of one of the English institutions in Kazakhstan. Unlike Chuanyi really had to start from scratch. We don't have students yet. We don't have connections. Mr. Shidong was originally from France. While the one in Kazakhstan, they have their group already. And the target market is really big. And I think there are just few online English institutions or schools in Kazakhstan. So I'm really very excited about this. Last week, I had posted a job hiring post because we were looking for some teachers to be in this group, to be with this group, as we are gathering students already. I posted that on my page, so if you wanted to be updated, please follow and like my page as well. I will tell you more information very soon. Okay, going back to some things that you need to know about Langdy. We are using KakaoTalk service only to call students and conduct the lesson. Please avoid being blocked. And then all material, script, and salary information are on the website. But currently, we are testing this call feature. I don't know some information yet about that, but I think we're not going to use KakaoTalk anymore. But I have to clarify on that. And then also the process, they will send a message through KakaoTalk when you pass. You will be scheduled for 2 to 3 demos or orientation. Okay, and for those who are for demo lessons, these are my reminders. Just keep it fun and engaging. Make sure to follow the script because everything is on the website, the script and all. But don't forget to also sound natural. Don't let your student feel that you're reading something. Just be natural. And give verbal and written corrections. And give as much as you can. A piece of advice, handle each class as the first class in the morning. Handle each class seriously and also do your best in each and every class. Okay, so that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below what other videos you would like me to do. And also congratulations to these people. Thank you so much. Till next time.